So, my name is Kunchi. I am back on the food Talkity Talk. Okay? And like I promised you, I was going to bring you back live when the ribs are done. This is the last one. This one was not wrapped at all. So, let me show you what we do with the ribs. So this one was not wrapped, and so we're going to rest this one wrapped in foil, okay? You don't need to put anything on it. And you can see right now it is bending real nice. You know it's very tender. All we got on here is salt and pepper, okay? Perfectly tender. You don't want to cut into it right yet, so we're going to rest it. Now we have a couple that's been resting for a little bit. We're going to put that in our blanket here. You guys see that? So again, take a screenshot. Just salt and pepper on these ribs. Nice and floppy. That's what you want. That's how you know your ribs are done, when you do the bend test. Okay? Now, I serve whole spare ribs with the rib tips on. So, you want to flip it over, and you cut in between the bones. Okay? See, I have a nice layer of fat on there. Shit. Alright. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to wrap this back up and put it in my resting blanket, because we're not ready to use it yet. And that's going to keep it warm. But we're going to take a bite. Love these gloves. You can wash them just like you're washing your hand. So I want to know, what do you guys think? You like how the ribs look? Are they tender? Anybody commenting?
No comments yet.
See that glisten? Just the salt and pepper. Okay? This is a winner.
Good job.
So they want to see if it's tender. Alright, look. You don't need teeth, okay? All you got fingers. Look at that thing. Just pulling away.
right, let me get a bite.
Take a bite right there. I don't know. I'm pretty good at this.
They said salt and pepper only, bro?
Salt and pepper only. That's my brand new rub that's coming out. It's called barbecue glitter. So it's not just your regular black pepper. We have 3 different blends of black pepper in here and kosher salt. Look at that thing. No paprika, no chili powder, nothing for color. This is salt, pepper, and smoke.
They said that's what I'm talking about. A bite so good make you want to dance.
I feel like an old timer right now. Okay?
They said what temp and how long?
So these were cooked 300 to 325 degrees. And we cooked these for 3 hours. So they cooked open 2 hours, 30 minutes wrapped in the butcher paper, 30 minutes out of the butcher paper. Okay? And then we've been resting them for 1 hour. Just right here in this little blanket. Good thing I don't have a dog because it wouldn't get nothing. So I just wanted to come back on here and show you guys that we finished the ribs. We wanted to show you guys how they looked. Maybe if we went like another 30-45 minutes, this fat would have been rendered a little bit more, but fat's really good. I like that. It's not chewy. And this is the rib tip right here. What you talking about, Wiz? No spritz, no binder. What's up? What they saying?
So Dan said salt and pepper have flavor?
I don't know what kind of pepper you're using, bro. Salt and pepper is one of the most universally versatile flavor combinations. So in this rub right here, okay, it's a blend of peppercorn melange, fresh ground, white pepper, and some 16 mesh pepper. Okay, 3 different variations of pepper, tons of flavor. If you guys have never tried salt and pepper, I'm encouraging you, go try it. Salt, pepper, and smoke. And then I want to taste the meat too. I don't need sugar. I don't need anything for color. I don't need anything else on my meat but just that. Now, of course, sometimes you can add a little bit of razzle dazzle, but salt and pepper, super simple. All the customers that showed up here today and got ribs have been blown away. People are asking me, what seasoning is that? Salt and pepper, dog. Okay?
He writing it down. He said 16 mesh and kosher salt and what else?
Nah, I can't tell you. You gotta come buy the rub when it's on the market. All right, let's see. I'm gonna tell you. Hold on. I'm coming to tell you. So, kosher salt, And all of this is going to be equal parts, okay? So kosher salt, 16 mesh pepper, and a coarse grind of peppercorn melange. So that's the red, white, green, and black peppercorns. You grind that up real coarse and you mix that in there. So let's say you're doing a tablespoon. You can do a tablespoon of each of those. Now you can add a little bit of salt if you want, but make sure you use that fresh pepper, okay? Make sure you use that fresh pepper. We also have some white pepper in there. That dust that you see in there, let me show you guys what it's looking like. The dust that you see in there, that's white pepper. But look on the top, you see that? The 16 mesh and the salt and everything else comes to the top, okay? That's what we got. So this is my final test batch. Since everybody is loving it, I'm definitely going to say, yes, this is the blend that I want to go on the market. We're dropping this in spring, all right? So thank you for your attention to this matter. Oh my God, I'm about to hit you. Woo! That's seasoning, buddy. Yeah. You want this one?
Yeah.
I can take them.
All right. I'm about to say it.
Thank you. What's up, Dan? How you doing, brother? How's everything going? What's up, Trini? So yeah, we are out here for Bike Week in Daytona Beach. Can you guys see? Hey Dan, when the rum comes out, man, just cop a bottle. All right? Won't regret it. Alright, so you guys can see what we got going on over here. So that's a concert venue right there called The Broken Spoke. You want me to start cooking food? Shit. Billy Bob Jack. Sound like you bullshitting, Billy Bob. All right. Food's already cooked. Everything's off the smoker. We got the coconut rice and peas. What's in here? We got some ribs in here. We got some pulled pork in there. Jamaican jerk wings in here. And we are almost out of beans. We got one serving of beans left. All right. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for hanging out. Just wanted to come back on here and show you the finished product of the ribs that we were working on this morning. I know you guys were watching. I told you I would come back and show you the finished product. So thank y'all so much for hanging out. We appreciate all the likes. Make sure you are following Food Talk TV if you are not already. Okay, Food Talk TV is a collaborative group of food content creators that go live every single day. Not me going live every single day, but someone from the collective going live every single day. Alright, so thank you guys for hanging out. Appreciate it. Take care, y'all. I hope you have a good one. Make sure you go ahead and hit that follow button. Alright, Tap on that follow button so you don't miss when we go live again. Oh. And everything was cooked on the offset. Alright, that's what we cooked on today. Thank you, Jezebel, for, just some food. Appreciate that. Thank you guys for the gifts. Thank you guys for the follows. Thanks for the shares. Appreciate you. Alright guys, have a great rest of your day. Take care.